So guys, today we're on the road heading to check out a new car that my dad is kind of interested in. So we may end up sending this over to Australia. We're going to an area called Saitama, which is a prefecture just above Tokyo. About 1 hour's drive for us. This car has kind of got some history because when I was born, actually, my dad had it. He sold it because it couldn't fit a baby seat. And then since that time, he's been kind of wanting to get another one. I'm 27 now, so it's been 27 years. Hopefully we can find him a nice one out in Japan. So that would be a great situation to it'll be kind of a great story to have it all come together. So I won't tell you what the car is yet. When we see it, you guys will see it at the same time. So let's check it out. Hey guys, we're here at GTNet, you can see behind us. GTNet is a big chain of used car sales, but generally they have like more sporty stuff. So you can see in the whole lineup here, we've got like everything from RX7s to Integra Type Rs. Out the back we saw some more GTRs. Oh, there's a bunch of GTRs down there actually, Supra right here. So a whole bunch of interesting stuff, not your regular used car shop. And today we're checking out this RX7. So this is the car that my dad really wants to get. I've just had a look around now. This is the RX7 Bathurst R Type R, which is made in 2002. And originally these were made to homologate the RX7s to race in the Bathurst event back in the 90s and 2000s. So pretty interesting kind of special car to have in Australia because Bathurst is an Australian circuit. Let's have a little look at this thing, but right now the condition's looking pretty fresh. This is a 4 out of 5 on the auction sheet, which means it's basically new-ish condition. Like obviously it's not a new car, but it means everything's still fresh and working properly. I've checked the engine bay, there's no rust, everything looks like it's still got a nice like top layer. The engine started and everything was running nice, no weird noises. Body looks good, interior's still fresh. The interior is rated a B, which is the other grading system, A, B, C, D. B is kind of like the equivalent to 4 for the exterior and for the car. So it means there's no smell, it means all the buttons are still working. Basically, if it's a brand new car, it's going to be like 5A. And this is a used car, almost 20 years old. So this is a 4B, which is basically like a new car as far as 20-year-old cars go. So yeah, overall it's looking good. So we might get it, I think. So we checked out the car, everything's looking good, condition was nice, it revved nicely, all the stuff we're looking for basically, like low mileage, Bathurst Type R, 2002 model, so they never sold the 2002 in Australia, so it's going to be a bit more desirable, I think. Now we're going to see if we can get it, just ask them for like the quote and go from there, so fingers crossed.
I like that.
That's teamwork right there.
Hi guys, welcome back. So we got the GTT today. The car has been repainted to Midnight Purple 3. And as you can see, the transition is actually amazing. From here you can see blue and then all the way to purple. If you take a look in the detail, it's actually a really good paint job. Midnight Purple 3 is just magnificent. I've never seen like that beautiful
In person,
paint
right?
job before in person.
Yeah. This panel was actually fell off from when the owner brought the car, so we've just waterproofed it with some tape.
Right now we're just letting it sit dry for a day, so it will be a 3 days job. Looking forward to see the results.